Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad was a member of parliament belonging to the National Unity Platform and, for that matter, the opposition in parliament. I was his leader. I have been his leader in parliament. Now, again, we need to apply wisdom. Yeah? When you're to give a decent send-off to a member of parliament, what is befitting to them, why do you put in place a one-man committee? Why? If really you want to respect, especially the wishes of the deceased person, bring the other stakeholders on board. As leader of the opposition, who was leading Honorable Ssegirinya, I was not involved anywhere. Why? The party which he belonged to and loved very much, and he made certain declarations even before he died, how he wanted his party involved, his party president, and so on. Why not adopt another leader, either from the secretariat or within the ranks of NUP, to be part of the organizing committee? Why? His family was also left out. They were just being given orders. And that's why you saw they were also divided. At the burial, some were saying, let's go the other side. Others were saying, let's respect the wishes of Honorable Ssegirinya as a family, let's stay here. So even the family was divided because you've not brought them on board. That's the mistake that was made. And it was deliberate, I think. So if you want to respect a person like Honorable Ssegirinya, respect his family, respect his party which he loved, respect the side he belonged to in the opposition. But when you decide to put in place a one-man committee, disregarding all the other critical stakeholders, you have a problem. You have not applied wisdom, in my view. And that's why I'm saying it was deliberate to do that. Because you see, I normally see people who say they have so much wisdom that supersedes the wisdom of other people. I have seen some people who have said there are some politicians who need so many years to get to the wisdom that I have. Okay, you show the public that you are wise. Because any smart politician, really, any smart politician, you apply that wisdom. So I think that's the problem that happened from the word go. Again, tying that in with somebody said the family of Honorable Ssegirinya has declared that they are endorsing somebody and they are saying NUP should give the flag of the party to that person. As a party, we are going to follow our processes. The same processes we followed to eventually get Honorable Ssegirinya to be our flag bearer are the processes that we are going to follow.